Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Wallet app on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and start looking for the wallet. And as you can see, this is the wallet. Go ahead and click on it. Basically, the wallet app allows you to add a credit card, debit card, and then start or even traveling tickets. If you have electronic travel tickets linked to your Apple Pay, you're gonna be able to add it to your wallet, in order to scan it, or there's a barcode, of course, when you travel. So basically, once you added basically the traveling ticket to your, or the boarding pass to your wallet, you're gonna be able to see it right here. So it's more like a credit card, debit card type thing, right? You can click the plus button right here at the top, right? And you can start adding your debit card or transit card. And if you have a previous card, just go ahead and add a previous card and then continue if you want to add it to basically Apple Pay. So debit card, basically the Apple Wallet allows you to pay with your iPhone without needing to use your physical credit card or debit card for that matter, right? And even allows you to do the boarding pass, or the scan the boarding pass without having the need to actually use your boarding pass paper, right? So you can just go ahead and start if you want to pay or even scan something on Apple Pay, like the boarding pass. You're gonna use your right finger to double click right here to see your credit card, right? And you're gonna be able to see it. Let me go back to my screen, double click right here. You're gonna see this is your credit card, and you can just scan it near paying machine, and then you're gonna be able they're gonna be able to read it. Even the boarding pass, they're gonna be able to confirm it. So basically, Apple Pay makes it easier for you to pay and to scan, basically, and makes it a lot easier for you to not use your actual physical card. You can only just use your phone for paying your groceries and for the necessary needs. So basically, that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.